Hey guys, this is Matt here at Funtown RV. Just wanted to reach out to you and show you this beautiful camper behind me, the Stryker toy hauler, travel trailer. We got a beautiful fiberglass outside body. This is the STG3413 with this beautiful outdoor patio where you can set up, have the family outdoors on these beautiful, nice days. You got the screened in back porch, which keeps those bugs and critters out of your area and inside, and gives you a little bit more privacy on the inside. When we're moving around here, you also have your fueling station on the outside. Your hose is going to be a hookup right here. You're going to fill your gas right here. You're going to turn your pumps on right there. With that on button right there, also your fuel level right there is going to show you exactly what you need to know where your levels are at. Coming around the rest of the camper, you got dual axles, dual tires, with this on-demand hot water system, which is right off the back. Also, your city water connections are right there. You have an onboard generator, the Cummins Owen QG 5500. This unit right here is going to run your AC, your electric. That way, if you're doing that off-grid camping, you have something that's going to power your whole unit and keep your entertainment going, the fun going, and everything that you need to have a good trip will be right there. And that is fueled by your fuel tanks in the back. So if you have gas, you got power. You got your dual propane tanks up on the front. Nice, easy electric lift. Makes that loading that camper up, dropping it off, leveling it off. So much easier with this. You'll love it, you'll use it. It's gonna be your best friend when you're going camping. Now as we move around, we got your storage unit. This is gonna keep all your hoses, cables, tie downs, electric, everything you need, chairs, everything you need to go camping, you store it in there. Your solar charger control panel is going to be right inside there as well. And then when you're getting to that campground and you're going to start setting everything up, this extension or jack, this is going to be your electric jacks, push of a button, and you're going to lower that right down to the ground. It makes it super easy so that you and your family can get out there and enjoy your trip. Moving on to the inside, you got this nice hand grab handle. Makes it great for getting in and out, not worrying about stumbling or falling. And as we move into this interior, this is a great color scheme. You can see this nice wood interior. These ceilings, you got a rounded ceiling, so you're gonna feel like you're in a, what I would say, a fifth wheel in a travel trailer feeling. With these LED strips, they're gonna allow you to have more lighting. We got the furnace on. It's a little colder here in Texas this morning. I think we were at 36 degrees. So we got this thing rolling to keep us warm and keep us enjoying our trip. It's gonna keep you and your family enjoying, comfortable, and having a good time. Throughout the kitchen, you got solid surface countertops. We got a 3-burner stove for all your cooking needs. That nice grill area, not that electric, that's gonna be propane. You got the bigger refrigerator right here. That's gonna hold all your gallons of milk, all the groceries you need in order to enjoy. As we move into the kitchen, you're still gonna have a lot of storage, plenty of storage space up top. Keep everything that you need up there. Now these do have a nice tight lock grip, so when you're traveling down the road with your family, things aren't gonna be flying out on you. More storage below here. You do have an oven access. Now that will get your pizza in there. Muffins, cinnamon rolls, whatever you need, but you do have a nice deep storage underneath as well. Then you go over to your kitchen table right here. Kind of a different style. Now this is a straight out table, great for a workstation or just to have your simple breakfast, dinners, whatever you're gonna do with your family. But this is nice, it's gonna stay there. You don't have to worry about it moving around on you, and it's gonna be a nice, comfortable fit. Going back to your entertainment on this side. Now if you look, you got your 2 recliners, your cup holders, facing that TV, guys. Don't forget, it is very, very nice when you're sitting and enjoying your family time or watching the news or watching the game that you can sit and look directly. You're not kinking your neck while you're looking at that TV. And as we move over to this other side right here, we still got more storage, big cabinets up top with the entrance coming into the bedroom. Now this bedroom here, guys, king size bed. Huge, huge plus. Makes things a lot more comfortable. If you sleep better, you're gonna enjoy your trip better. Going in, you got your closet space here, plenty of space for your clothes on either side of the camper. Some extra storage here for phones, and it's a deep storage, guys. It's not some short storage. You're gonna have a lot of space to put a lot of things in there, books, whatever you need. You also got your cubby ports too for any additional stuff that you want to stick in there. Your phone. You got your chargers. So you got your plug-ins right here, so you can plug your charge in, CPAP, whatever you need to have a good experience when you're taking that nighttime rest. When we go towards storage underneath the bed, okay guys, this is gonna flip up. You do get storage. Now in most travel trailer toy haulers, you do not get a big storage area underneath the bed. With this, they still are allowing you to have some of that storage and an additional tuck under storage down here. So plenty of storage for your totes, for your sock drawers, everything that you need to bring with you, you can get in here instead of a normal, smaller, tighter space, not a king-size bed travel trailer. This is gonna be a much more roomy, comfortable experience for you and your family. Again, big storage up top. Now down here, we do have a nice flip down. So if you do have that visitor that's gonna be coming with you, you can pop this bed down and you're gonna have that extra space. Some other additional cubby holders, plug-ins for all your needs over in this corner. And this is just gonna flip back up, guys. Snap these pins in like this. And you're back for some additional seating in your common area on those rainy days, cold mornings where you're just gonna be inside the camper, not outside enjoying your time. Let's move back towards the bathroom. As we make our way back here, you got a dual entry door that gives you a little bit more space. Toilet, shower. Now look how much room you have in this shower for that taller guy who's always like, man, I don't have enough space, my head's hitting the ceiling. You have all this space right here, also with the adjustable shower head. That way you can move it and adjust it to where wash all your body, especially when you're out on your toys getting dirty. This is a great spot. On addition to going out on your toys, you have this door right here that jumps right into the garage. So you can ride your bikes, your side-by-sides, your ATVs, whatever you got, bring it in, stop right in here, come in, wash off, get all that dirt and mud. You're not taking it into the camper with you. You also have a vent up top to take any of that airflow, and it is a powered vent, so you just turn that on and it'll take it right out the top. Now, this is the bread and butter and the thing that makes travel trailer toy haulers the best, this garage. Look at the space in here, guys. Plenty of tie downs. You got a 6-point tie down all the way on the front. Running all the way to the front of this camper, you're gonna have these tie downs. These tie downs are super important. They're gonna keep your ATV, your dirt bike, your motorcycle tied down and secure while you're traveling with your family. Again, you're gonna have this curved top ceiling, so that gives you more space. And not only is it gonna be for your toys, you also get a sleeping option. So you have a bed that's gonna retract and go up and down, and you can set it at different heights. And you're gonna get these chairs. So when we raise this up and bring it up to the ceiling, you're gonna have all this extra space for seating back here for your family and your friends or whoever wants to come over and hang out with you. When you go, you're gonna flip these down. If you do need additional sleeping area, we're gonna flip these beds down, and that's gonna give you a full wide body camper bed. That is a huge space, guys. That's more than enough space for 2 full grown adults. So if you got that couple that wants to go with you on your trip, you can bring them. Mom, dad want to come with, grandma and grandpa, whatever the case may be, you have that space. Okay. Hey guys, now I was telling you about the inside, now we're on the outside. Look at this party deck. You got the metal table right here. Great option. It's not some cheap plywood table. It is a true heavy metal table, which is gonna be much more durable than your typical tables that you'll see other campers having. Now, you can also, this will move, so you can bring this inside and add an additional dining area for you and your family with those chair options inside this garage. Coming to the sliding doors, the screen right here, it's gonna give you that protection from the elements, close everything off, and they're nice and easy. Single door open. They open nice and wide so you're not squeezing through. It's gonna give you a lot of room. And out here on this party deck, you're gonna be able to enjoy. You got this nice white railing. This is metal, it's not plastic, so it's gonna last a lot longer than your typical outer frames. When you're dropping this thing down to load your stuff, all you're gonna do is bring these back in. They're gonna fold on the inside, and you're gonna drop both these cables down. You're gonna bring your ATV, your dirt bike, your four-wheeler, motorcycle, whatever you have, and bring it inside once this is dropped down. Setting this up, most people have to build a deck in order to have a deck. You're gonna have it on 2 wheels. You're gonna be able to bring it in, park it, drop this up to the back of the lake, and you're gonna have this beautiful view where you can have your morning coffee or watch those beautiful sunsets. When we're talking about the interior, you're gonna still be able to access that bathroom right here. So if you're out here with your family and friends, another big feature that a lot of people, a lot of my customers have been using these for is their pets. You got that dog, you got the cats, whatever pet you have this nice screened in area where you can put their food bowl, their water bowl, and you're gonna give them that outside feel and feel safe about them being out here. You're not worried about them running around the campground. When you go into setting all this up, you're gonna have this angle ramp. This is one thing that I didn't talk about. This angle ramp coming into the garage is a very important feature for those low riding ATVs, motorcycles. That way you're not grinding the bottom of your unit and scraping this floor. You got that nice smooth transition going inside. Well, hey guys, from everybody here at Funtown RV, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Like and subscribe at the bottom. This is a great family unit. You got plenty of extra space. If you got that ATV, if you got that four-wheeler, dirt bikes, motorcycle, this is a great option with this 13-foot garage. This is gonna give you everything you need to travel on the road. Thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful day.